Hi guys, welcome on this Monday. Today we've got two packages. Another flashlight. Yesterday, or was it 2 days ago, got a flashlight for $2. This one's for $1. And a new set of propellers for my Parrot drone. Hopefully this time this will be of a proper size. The last ones I bought for something like $2 and they were crap. These were $4.50. So hopefully this is what we need. Okay, so this is a flashlight for $1. Slightly more flimsy construction, especially this thin plastic lens. This is the one I showed you last time. Much more sturdy design. I guess it's probably a glass lens or some polycarbonate. Small diameter, more compact. As they say, you get what you pay for. Now for the propellers. So in general, these look okay. But we'll find out later on when we compare them with the original ones at home. So that's it for now. Take care, be sure to like, share, subscribe, and see you again in a new episode. Okay guys, so I got my Bebop 2 drone, the new propeller, and as you can see, the fit is ideal. Same size, and looking at the casting marks, looks that it's exactly the same construction. So they should be working without any problem, as opposed to the crappy ones I got earlier, which were smaller size. Also, as you can see here, there's a nick, so that will probably cause vibration, worse performance regarding flight time, and probably the vibrations would also greatly affect the video quality. But fortunately I already got a refund. Although the seller was trying to say that these are Bebop 2 propellers, they wouldn't accept my complaint, but AliExpress stepped in and based on the pictures accepted the refund without the necessity to ship these back, because shipping these from Poland to China would exceed the price of propellers. So that's it for today. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and see you again in another episode.